In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign with some useful tips and tricks. Docusign has become an essential tool for managing electronic signatures and agreements intelligently, so let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to visit the Docusign website. You can easily find this by typing in the web address on your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a clear and inviting user interface with essential options front and center. One of the most important ones you'll notice is the login button. Go ahead and click on it. This step will lead you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, it's a straightforward process, but for today I'm assuming you already have your login details sorted out. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub showcasing all of your recent activities, manage your documents, and offer different options like sending, signing, and managing agreements. To optimize your workflow, we'll focus on the templates section, which is a real time saver when dealing with repetitive documents. Next, navigate to the templates tab you see at the top of your screen. Clicking on this will bring you to a page where all your existing templates are stored. These templates make it incredibly efficient to send out documents that require the same format or information repeatedly. Now, let's look at how to get started by creating a template of your own. You'll want to find and click on the Create Template button. It's typically highlighted on this screen for easy access. This option allows you to set up a new document, complete with all the fields necessary for your future uses. It's particularly beneficial if you frequently send the same type of contracts, like NDAs or sales agreements. Once you've clicked on Create Template, you'll be prompted to upload a document you want to use. It could be a Word document, PDF, or another commonly used format. Take your time to fill in the necessary fields. This could include signature lines, dates, names, and any other information typically required on your documents. Doing this in advance will save you a ton of time down the road. Using templates can vastly speed up your document preparation process, because once everything is set, sending out forms that need signatures will be an absolute breeze. You can focus on other tasks while Docusign handles the signing logistics. So there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to getting started with Docusign. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to manage your electronic documents more efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newcomer to online signatures, Docusign can provide a seamless experience that should make workflows more streamlined across the board. Thank you for watching, and happy signing.